Hello everybody! What you can see is spur gear with straight teeth. I can change parameters of tooth quantity, and I have bigger gear immediately. Do you want to know how I made it? Watch this video to understand how to make fully adjustable spur gear for yourself. In order to make a gear, you need to know how big it will be, and how many teeth it will have, so let's first define this. The quantity of teeth is usually defined from gear ratio, which defined how many turns each gear will make. On this example, we have drive gear with 8 teeth and driven gear with 16 teeth. Our ratio is 2 to 1. This means if drive gear will spin 2 times, the driven gear will spin 1 time only, and this will half reduce the speed. So, in our case, let's define the quantity of teeth to be 8. We have 3 gears with different size, where the only difference is parameter called module. Yellow gear have module size 3, blue gear have module size 4, and green gear have module size 5. So, the module is changing size of the teeth, and in the gear rack, it need to be same between each gear. So, for our gear construction, we'll define module size 3. To make a gear, we need to make some circles. These circles will define the diameters of entire gear, and there are calculations how to get each one of them right. The tip diameter is so-called addendum circle, creating top land of the teeth, and maximum wheel diameter. The reference diameter is so-called pitch diameter, used to calculate size of the wheel for module. Base diameter is so-called clearance circle, and the involute curve which creates profile of the teeth starts from this diameter. Root diameter is so-called dedendum circle, and this one defines bottom of the teeth. Don't get scared right now. What you can see are just some simple equations if you want to have fully dynamic gear, so that you can generate different types or sizes. You need to place these equations into your program. And you need to link each diameter with right calculations so that it can change responsively. And every time you want different gear, you just change module or number of teeth. There is another important parameter called pressure angle. All you need to know is to keep it 20 degrees as standard. Now it will become more fun. We are going to create an involute curve. To make this curve, you need to have Cartesian space with circle centers aligned. Then you use equations which will generate involute curve. What is involute curve? Here is link to other video where it is explained. Now to make it more functional, we need to trim the involute curve by addendum circle. The one and only involute is nice, but can't create a teeth profile. We need to have second involute to complete teeth profile. Second involute is made by mirroring of involute curve against mirror plane. It cross through center of circles and middle point of teeth. To make a middle point of teeth, you need to draw an arc, laying on the reference diameter as pitch circle. Arc length is defined by parameter, circular pitch, and the middle point of teeth is exactly in the center of arc. Finally, we can mirror the involute curve. And now the profile of teeth can be created. This is done by drawing of the sketch directly on involute curves, tip diameter and root diameter all connected together. Then you just need to extrude the sketch and your teeth is ready to roll. Last step is to create full gear by creating an axis pattern around the center of gear. The pattern need to be connected to parameter, number of teeth, so each time you change it, you get your quantities. To make your gear more nice, you can apply some round corners at the bottom of the gear. Also, to be automatic, you create just one round corner, and then pattern it with all gears as reference. Now you can add some center holes as you need and make as many spur gears as you want. Thank you, and I hope you find it useful. Smiley face. Bye-bye.